Did you know the dishwasher was invented by a rich woman who got mad at her servants? In 1886, Josephine Cochran was furious because her helpers kept breaking her fancy china plates while washing them. She had never built anything before, but she was determined to fix this problem herself. Working alone in her shed, she carefully measured every single piece of her china collection. Then she designed special wire compartments that would hold each dish perfectly still. Hot soapy water would spray the dishes clean without anyone touching them. It was brilliant. She got patent number 355139 and started her own company. At the 1893 Chicago World's Fair, she personally showed off her amazing machine to crowds of amazed visitors. Hotels and restaurants loved it and bought her dishwashers right away. But regular families didn't start using dishwashers until the 1950s when they finally became cheap enough. Today, this frustrated housewife's invention is worth over $6 billion and changed how every human being cleans dishes forever.